I'm your Vice President for Network Operations, Mr. Sai Guanzon. Pag-usapan natin, who is MCOR? MCOR is a company that's launched in December 2, 2015. Ang mission niya is we improve the most lives in the network marketing industry. And its vision, to empower and develop professional network builders by providing an innovative support system for faster and effective results. Ang vision niya is to empower and develop professional network builders by providing an innovative support system for faster and effective results. Our main office is at the Vision Building 162 Pasig Boulevard in Pasig City. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang management team of MCOR, starting with the Vice President for Network Operations, Mr. Sai Guanzon. Mr. Sai Guanzon has more than 20 years experience in the network marketing industry. He is also a powerful speaker and trainer as well as a consistent top earner. He is also a tech investor. Our Vice President for Business Development is VP Markham Magasigan. He has more than 15 years experience in the business analytics sector, and at the same time over 10 years experience in the network marketing industry. Our Vice Chairman and CFO is Mr. Ray Panaligan. He is the co-founder of .net Incorporated and very popular as a luxury car dealer. He is also a very successful traditional businessman. Our Chairman and CEO, Mr. Ibay Reyes. He is the co-founder of .net Inc. and also the co-owner of a very popular establishment called Metro Walk. He is also a very successful traditional businessman. Our President and COO, Ms. Cheryl Edmond. She is the founder of MCOR with more than 20 years experience in the network marketing industry as a consistent top earner and top leader. She's also a very successful businesswoman. Here are all the legalities of MCOR, starting with the SEC, FDA approved, halal certified. MCOR has more than 20 business centers nationwide, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and counting. MCOR has been awarded as a super brand status for its products in affordability, best in quality, and highly consumable products. Let's talk about our products. MCOR's flagship product is the 24 Alkaline C. Very, very important, lalong-lalo na ngayong panahon ng pandemic. Our top priority in the pandemic is pataasin ng gusto ang ating immune system. No better way to do that but to have the 24 Alkaline C. The 24 Alkaline C is a sodium-based vitamin C, which is tummy-friendly. At the same time, it's the non-acidic form of vitamin C. And the best part is that it's FDA approved, halal certified, and it has a super brand status. One capsule of 24 Alkaline C is equivalent to 20 apples, 100 calamansi, or even 20 bananas. And it's a must-have in every household, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng pandemic. Our next product is a 24 Alka White. Whiter ka na, slimmer ka pa. Aside from having the L-glutathione, it also has the 24 Alkaline C, the collagen, and the patented. We are the only one that has Camellia japonica inside our 24 Alka White. What does it do? It's a fat blocker. It keeps our skin and hair moist and supple, and it also promotes cell growth by giving skin support and flexibility. Our next product is the 24 Green Restore, a very powerful, healthy juice drink that combines 3 of the most powerful ingredients in juice drinks right now: the barley grass, the wheat grass, and the goji berry. All these ingredients will make you healthier, will make your immune system boosted, and at the same time, makes you feel and look younger. Aside from that, we have the 24 Green Cafe and the 24 Green Choco. Our 24 Green Cafe has acetaba and ganoderma extracts that is actually good for bronchitis prevention, cardiovascular treatment, and at the same time, it's also good against high blood pressure, hepatitis, allergies, and chemotherapy and HIV support. It's also good kung madali ka din mapagod. At the same time, we also have our 24 Green Choco. Napakaganda niya sa mga bata. It has acetaba and chlorella growth extract. Tumatalino ka na, tumatangkad ka pa. Both our drinks are sweetened with stevia, meaning it's also good for people with diabetes. And one of the must-haves in every household is our 2430 spray. The 2430 is not comparable to alcohol, but it's comparable to all the other antibacterial sprays out there. The technology that's actually used sa 2430 spray natin is the same technology used by NASA to sanitize their spacecrafts. Now, ito yung maganda. With 1 or 2 sprays of the 2430 on any surface, will protect that surface or any touch points for 30 days. Thus protecting you from germs, viruses, and bacteria. And the best part, once you have 1 or 2 sprays sa skin mo, it protects you for 24 hours. Napakaganda, di ba? And of course, not only will you be healthy, but with MCOR, we have a product that can make you years younger. Featuring our favorite, the 24 Ever Sabon. This soap is what you call the Miracle Face Fixer. It's got breakthrough ingredients such as snail slime for that anti-aging look, alga white that makes your skin whiter, bee venom for that natural Botox-like effect, virgin coconut oil for that skin moisturizing effect, oregano oil extract for that antibacterial properties, and cucumber extract for that natural and refreshing scent. Ngayon nakita na natin ang products ni MCOR, let's talk about how we can profit from this through the MCOR's powerful business plan. In order for you to start the MCOR business, all you need to do is just buy a new normal package. Alright? We have the starter package with a combination of different products, and at the same time, we have all the full benefits that come with what we call the regular package. The regular package is 12,750 pesos. It comes with a combination of different sets for you to choose from. Once you're able to buy your package, you are now automatically a dealer of MCOR. And you are now entitled to 6 plus more ways to earn. Let's discuss this one by one. The first way to earn is what we call the direct selling bonus. Once you're registered sa MCOR as a dealer, you are now entitled to a discount on all MCOR's current and future products. You are now entitled to up to 40% discount on all MCOR's current and future discounts. The second way to earn is what we call the referral bonus. Obviously, kapag ka may bibili sa'yo, ang una niyang tatanungin, wala ba akong discount sa MCOR? Ang sasabihin mo na sa kanya, bakit hindi ka na lang mag-join sa MCOR para yung discount ko, discount mo na rin. Now, if that happens, you are now entitled to what we call the direct referral bonus. So how does it work? Whenever you successfully sponsor a person who buys a regular package, you automatically receive 1,050 pesos as a direct referral bonus. And you can sponsor as many people as you can in our business. Lalong-lalo na ngayong panahon ng pandemic na mga tao naghahanap ng napakagandang opportunity. The next way to earn is what we call the share up. Yung share up goes like this. For every second, fourth, and sixth person that you refer, instead of you getting 1,050 pesos, ang matatanggap mo ay 600 pesos. The remaining 450 pesos goes up to the person who sponsored you as our way of saying thank you. Ito yung tinatawag natin na share up. Now, the best part is that yung pangalawa, pang-apat, at pang-anim na sponsor ng taong na-sponsor natin down the line, ang 450 will also go back to you as their way of saying thank you to you. And that's what we call the share-up bonus. Alam mo ba ang isang napakagandang balita ni MCOR? If within 30 days, you are able to successfully sponsor 2 regular packages, you are entitled to what we call the turbo incentive. Ang good news is that if you are able to successfully sponsor within 30 days, 2 regular packages, makakatanggap ka ng tinatawag natin na turbo package incentive. turbo package incentive amounting to 10,500 pesos with a combination of 2 packages to choose from. Napakaganda, di ba? Nakapag-sponsor ka na, may turbo package incentive ka pa. Our next way to earn yung tinatawag natin na binary cycle bonus. So how does it work? Ngayong dealer ka na ng MCOR, you'll be having your own business center sa loob ng computer system ng MCOR. You will be having 2 customer groups, the left customer group and the right customer group. Magkakaroon ka ng business center, magkakaroon ka ng account sa loob ng computer system ni MCOR. And you will have 2 groups, the left distribution line and the right distribution line. All you need to do is simply sponsor people. You place one person on the left and the next person, you place that person to the right. Tandaan po natin ang formula. Sa bawat starter package, that's 50 PV or 50 point value. At sa bawat regular package is 150 PV or 150 point value. So how does the cycle bonus works? Ganito po yan. Kapag ang computer system nakakita ng 50 PV or 50 points sa kaliwa, matched by 50 points sa kanan, hindi tatanungin ng computer system kung kilala mo yan o hindi. Hindi rin tatanungin ng computer system kung saan lugar sila ng Pilipinas or ng mundo nang galing. At hindi rin tatanungin ng computer system yan kung involved ka ba sa process or hindi. Basta magkaroon ng 50 points sa kaliwa, matched by 50 points sa kanan, that's automatic 500 pesos. So let's now take a look at the diagram. The first person na sumali sa kaliwa, the first person na nag-purchase ng package on the left side ay bumili ng starter package, that's 50 PV. On the right side, may bumili rin ng starter package, that's 50 PV. That's an automatic 500 peso match for you. The second scenario is sa left side, may na-sponsor na pumasok ng regular package. That's 150 PV. On the right side, may nag-dealer with 150 PV as well. Kapag ka nag-match yan, that's automatic 1,500 pesos. What if on the left side, may nag-register as a starter package? That's 50 PV. But on the right side, may nag-register as a regular package, 150 PV. So paano mangyayari yon? Hindi pantay. Ang mangyayari, ang magma-match ay yung nagpantay, which is the 50 PV. You'll be getting 500 pesos. Now, ano mangyayari sa natitirang 100 PV? It's what we call carryover and maghihintay yan as a points waiting until magkaroon ng another transaction sa other side para mag-match. Now, let's take a look. Meron uling nag-register as a starter sa left side mo or sa left group mo na 50 PV. Kahit na walang nag-register sa right side, dahil may 100 points waiting ka sa right side, magma-match yan sa left side. Again, that's 500 pesos for you. May matitira uli on the right side, that's points waiting na 50 point value. And it keeps going on and on and on and on. Remember, yung mga taong nag-register as a dealer sa MCOR, hindi yan nag-join para pagbigyan ka. They also want to have the same compensation plan as what you are enjoying. And it keeps going on and on and on and on from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, match ng match ng match ng match ng match ng match na hindi mo na mapipigilan. Dahil bakit? Sa sobrang ganda ng business natin, sa timing ngayong pandemic, sa demand ng ating mga products, tuloy-tuloy ang negosyo natin. Even while the job is done, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po siya. What if we go with a 2x2 scenario na every month, dalawa lang ng dalawa ang bumibili ng starter package? Let's take a look. On the first month, you were able to successfully sponsor 2 persons na nag-regular package. So magkano kita mo sa cycle bonus? That's 1,500 pesos. On the second month, silang dalawa nakakuha lang din ng tig-dalawa. So that would mean that you have 2 on the left and 2 on the right. May dalawang pairs ka ng regular. So that's 3,000 pesos. And on the third month, the 2 becomes 4 pairs. That's 6,000. On the fourth month, the 4 becomes 8 pairs. On the fifth month, naging 16 pairs. On the sixth month, naging 32 pairs. 64 pairs, 128 pairs, 256 pairs, 512 pairs, 1,024 pairs, and 2,048 pairs. That's an accumulated grand total of 2.2 million pesos. Napakaganda, di ba? That's a conservative projection with 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 on each month. Another way to earn natin is what we call the leadership bonus. VP, may question ako. What if isang leg lang ang nalagyan ko at wala pa ako sa kabila? Di ba sinabi sa cycle bonus na kapag ka may match, magkaaroon ng 1-5? Ang good news, under the leadership bonus, regardless kung isang leg ka lang nagkaroon ng sponsor, the best part is that every time magkakaroon ng cycle bonus, yung taong na sponsor mo, you automatically earn 5%. And the best part, hindi yan ikakaltas sa kanyang cycle bonus income. So the more people that you sponsor, the more na nag-cycle sila, the bigger the 5% that you'll be earning from each and every person that you sponsored without deducting from that person's commission. Napakaganda, di ba? And napaka-fair. That's the power of the MCore business plan. Our next way to earn, yung tinatawag natin na repeat purchase bonus, or simply call it uni-level income. The best part, if you notice that all of the products of MCore are highly consumable and highly in-demand products right now, especially during the pandemic. And the best part is that all of our products come with its corresponding point value. And each point value has a corresponding peso value commission on your end. Ang maganda dito is that lahat ng bumili under your organization, from the person that you sponsored, which is level 1, yung na-sponsor niya, which is level 2, na-sponsor nun, level 3, all the way down until level 20, lahat ng repeat order products nila sa MCore, whether purchase sa main office, whether purchase sa business centers, whether purchase sa ating stockists, lahat yan computed at aakyat lahat ng commission sa'yo on a monthly basis. And the best part is that MCore has what we call the dynamic compression that enables you and guarantees you that you'll be given all of your monthly commissions in the uni-level income. All you need to do to enjoy the benefits of the uni-level income is for you to at least purchase 425 points of our products. Meron din tayong tinatawag na advanced maintenance system. For instance, you were able to purchase in January. Then you will be able to earn rebates in February and you get your payout in March. That's simple. Another incentive that MCore has in store for you is what we call the Diamond Lifestyle Incentive, because MCore wants you to enjoy your commissions and use them for your family and loved ones. Si MCore na po ang bahala sa lahat ng luxury items na gusto mo. Here's how the Diamond Lifestyle Incentive works. Every time you maintain a self-repeat purchase of at least 425 points, ipunin mo lang lahat ng cycle bonuses under you, maiipon lahat ng DLI points mo, you can actually accumulate these points and exchange them to any of your items na gusto mo. Whether it be your dream watch, whether it be your dream gadgets, whether it be a dream motorcycle, or whether it be the dream car or dream property of your choice, MCore's DLI is there for you. Another powerful incentive that MCore has for you, yung tinatawag natin na Loyalty Annual Bonus or yung LAB. It's equivalent to a profit sharing incentive of MCore. For more information about the Loyalty Annual Bonus, please approach the person who invited you to this presentation. Now,